learn this drawing today. We need the things here. One is flat brush, small one, and white color. If you are not having flat brush, you can use round brush also. For the color, you can use poster color or acrylic color or fabric color. The steps are very simple. It is the crown part. When I am doing the crown part, I am leaving the space here. The red color, sheet color should be visible. Instead of red color, you can use any dark color, black, brown, green, any color. The gap you have to maintain it. It is the stomach part. I told you that the gap you have to maintain the gap. See the leg part. The leg part is not touching to the stomach part. It is the foot part. I told you in the beginning, you can use any brush for this drawing. It is the foot part. Here I am showing you the hand. The hand which is holding the bowl. In the bowl you can add modaka or laddus. It is another hand, palm I am showing.